Welcome, marketing chefs. I've got something truly special cooking in our Omni-Channel oven today. Time for another one of my cooking recipes. Lemon cream pasta. Up next in the Marketing Kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen, the Marketing Kitchen. Hi, I'm Ron Vining, your host of Marketing Kitchen TV. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite home recipes, lemon cream pasta. If you excluded the cream, then this would just be chicken piccata. I usually start out with some fresh parsley, fresh lemons, chicken breast, jar of capers, and perhaps mushrooms if you'd like to add them. Basil, oregano, of course black pepper. I always love to throw in some crushed red pepper as well. Basically your favorite spices, and while not required, have to have bow tie pasta. Well, I do anyway. I just really enjoy that type of pasta. Typically holds the cream sauce a bit better, or even just the lemon sauce. It's just a favorite to go that route. Want to make sure you use cheese, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese. I usually start off on the stovetop just taking the fresh parsley, some capers, some butter and lemon, saute that. You want to get that to reduce to a point, so you don't want to have there be a lot of fluid there, and then you want to add in your chicken. So you can cut the chicken breast up into bite-sized morsels if you want, or you can have larger pieces, that's your call. Usually then put that in with the lemon sauce to cook the chicken. You don't want to overcook the chicken, you don't want it to get tough and rubbery, but what you want the chicken to do is soak in that lemon, that zesty lemon flavor, so it has a kick to it. You then take the chicken out. You want to then further reduce the lemon broth, if you will, before adding in the cream. And sometimes it's tough to get the cream out of this container, and I'm going to try to get every last drop out. On heat, you want to mix the two mixtures together of the lemon vegetable with the basil and the related spices, and you want to bring that not to a boil, but you want to bring that to a good simmer. And once you're done, I then put in some fresh cut lemon to further give it a bit of that tangy, zesty flavor. I'll then let that simmer for a while together before adding in the bow tie pasta. Throw in some extra black pepper and then whip it all up together on the stovetop. Again, throwing in a little bit more fresh herbs at the top, some extra spices, and then mixing in some cheese. Again, cheese is at your discretion, whether you want to use Parmesan cheese or whether you want to use mozzarella. Sometimes it's great to use both, and then let that sit on the stovetop a little bit to melt. Now this dish is so easy and it's so versatile. If you swapped out the chicken for bacon, you could make carbonara if you wanted out of it. Of course, you wouldn't want to use bow tie pasta. In that case, you'd want to use spaghetti. And in this case, in this just bonus dish, just heat up some bacon. In this case, you could slice it up or go with the bacon bits. Mix the pasta in up on the stovetop. Let that heat up and let that pasta really soak up the juices there of the fat and the grease from the bacon. Add in some eggs. Whip that up on the stovetop, and there you go. So as a bonus, you've got some carbonara. In future videos, we'll look at making some baked pasta together, and some eggplant parmesan, one of my Italian favorites. One thing I really love to do is make soups and stews, so we'll do that. And of course some stuffed peppers. You can put just about anything in these that you want. And I love to make eggs, so I'm going to do a video which is going to show you 100, maybe 50, but there are countless ways to make eggs. Eggs, 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 and more eggs. Not just the egg itself, but what you would accompany the egg with. You could have an egg for breakfast every day and have it be different. Also show you my fun nacho dish, as well as the accompaniment of some guacamole. All of these in future videos. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Remember, there's always fresh content simmering on our storytelling stovetop. So whatever happens in this kitchen shouldn't stay in this marketing kitchen. I'm Ron Vining, your host, reminding you to invite your family and friends to the next episode of Marketing Kitchen TV.